everyone, I'm Michelle, certified Ayurvedic professional, and I will be guiding you through this morning's breathwork pranayama. Today we'll be doing Kapala Bhati, which is known as shining skull breath. Kapala means forehead or skull, and Bhati means shining. Before performing any pranayama breathwork, it's important to consult with your doctor. Also, if you are on your menses, pregnant, have had a recent surgery, an active illness such as the flu, or an active hernia, please do not perform this breathing technique. Also, if you have a detached retina or glaucoma, extremely high or low blood pressure, heart disease, nosebleeds, hernia, as I mentioned, ulcers, or a recent history of epilepsy, or abdominal surgery, as I mentioned, please do not perform this breathing technique. There will be an alternate breathing technique available for you. Okay, let's get started. So you want to be comfortably seated. In this case, I just have my feet flat on the floor and my two palms on my knees. You could also be cross-legged position on the floor, should you wish. It's important to have your spine just over your pelvis comfortably, and we'll get started. You want to take just a few breaths, normal breaths, and bring some awareness into your breath. Just nice deep breaths into the belly. Let's just do about 3. Once you feel ready, I will guide you through this exercise. So in this exercise, the breathing in will be natural. So you're going to be inhaling as normal, but your exhale will be forceful. As you exhale, you're going to push your abdomen muscles into your spine. I'll show you one so you can see. That's considered 1. Again. So you're just breathing like normal and exhaling your air forcefully and pushing in your abdomen into your spine and your diaphragm up. This is creating some muscle tone for your organs to be massaged. Also, it's going to make sure that you are activating your liver, your gallbladder, and your pancreas. So this will tonify all those organs and create heat in your belly area, but send coolness to your forehead. So this is a great exercise for those of you that want to lose some weight. And you're also activating your digestive system, as I mentioned, with your pancreas, liver, gallbladder. So we're getting started for the day in your cleanse with active breathing. Okay, so once you're ready, we can do a round of 50. So let's go ahead and do that. Remember, spine erect, comfortably, hands on your knees. And we're going to do 50 total together. Ready? Once you're done with your 50, just sit still and return your breath as normal. And we're going to sit here for a few seconds. You might see some tension in your abdomen and maybe some cooling sensation in your forehead. Just breathe as normal, keeping awareness in your breath. And now we're going to start with another round of 50. When you're done with the 50, return your breath as normal. And just observe any sensations in your body. You may feel like you are doing ab work, like push-ups or crunches, and that's perfectly normal. Some signs that you're not doing this properly are going to be headache or overheating in the body. Just slow down if you're experiencing those symptoms. And just sit and be aware of your body. This is one round of 100 broken up into 2 rounds of 50. That's where it's considered initially a good progression for Kapala Bhati. As you start progressing, you can always increase by 10 every week. So 60 and 60, or 70 and 70, 80 and 80, and so on and so forth. The max you want to do is a round of 500 and 500, which is considered the max limit for this breathing technique. I hope you enjoyed this breathing technique, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Also, as a reminder, please look for the alternate breathing technique if you have any of the conditions I've mentioned earlier. Thank you.